Hey there, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing video or an unbagging video, I guess you can call it. This was sent in by my buddy Joe, and this is a very special watch coming in from Scotland, I believe. And it is an anOrdain. Yes, I think I'm saying that correctly. Now, these watches are known for their exquisite enamel dial. Oh yeah, and this is the Model 1. I believe the color is post office red. And these guys really do enamel really well. They dedicate hours and hours developing this dial, and I'm gonna throw in an outdoor shot here because I don't think this lighting is doing it justice here. It's early morning, and the kids are at the park, so I got a few minutes to do a unboxing video. But look at this beauty here. Yeah, so anyway, I look forward to doing this review. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these beautiful watches for a long time now, and I want to thank Joe again for sending this in, and I'll see you guys in the review video. Take care.